Okay, this is Sean Makepeace again at 910 Ludlow, apartment 2. This is Saturday, July 7th at approximately 6:20. My last video was showing how my window air conditioner in my bedroom worked. I let my thermometer plateau out since that last test, and it is now
6:20 p.m. The temperature is 86 degrees
86
Fahrenheit.
degrees, and I'm going to go out to my living room air conditioner to test that one to compare. I'm going to turn on the light here. So, here is my living room air conditioner with a little decoration of frog on it. I should note that this living room air conditioner has been turned on high and has been going like this for about 2 weeks now, and the compressor is always on. So again, starting off at 86 degrees in my bedroom. I'll hold this up for a minute.
The temperature is 77 degrees Fahrenheit.
77 degrees. Started off at room temperature of 86 degrees. Wait another minute. Like I said, the capacitor and compressor of this air conditioner has been running solid for about 2 weeks now, since the heat wave started. I have never once heard the compressor turn off.
The temperature is 69 degrees Fahrenheit.
69 degrees. Wait another minute.
p.m. The temperature is 69 degrees Fahrenheit.
69 degrees. I don't know if it's going to plateau here at 69 degrees or not, but I'll hold it here for another minute. There we go. As a reminder, with the other air conditioner, my room temperature when this first started was 85 degrees. With the compressor on, it dropped down to 74. When the compressor shot off, it went back up to 88. As I previously mentioned, this air conditioner, the compressor has not turned off in about 2 weeks. So I'm not gonna stand here until it does, because it won't.
It's 6:26 p.m. The temperature is 63 degrees Fahrenheit.
63 degrees. Because it keeps on going down, I'm going to hold it for another minute until it plateaus out. Alright.
It's 6:27 p.m. The temperature is 63 degrees Fahrenheit.
63. I'll hold it for one more minute. See if it holds steady there. This air conditioner is much louder and the fan is really chugging on high. I don't know if you can hear it. Well, it did drop one more degree, but I want to stop it there. As I said, there's no point in waiting because the compressor is not going to turn off on this one. But I think this definitively and undoubtedly shows that my window air conditioner in my bedroom is not functioning properly. Thanks, guys.